Hello guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix J5Create docking station not detecting the monitor. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your J5Create docking station here, it's not detecting your monitor. Well, there are a few things that you may want to try. So first things first is in this case, you may want to check your hardware connections here. So in this case, you want to ensure that all your hardware is connected properly. So in this case, you may want to double check that all cables here are firmly plugged in. And also connect your monitor directly to your laptop to verify it's functioning correctly, or in this case, make sure they're properly connected or secured. Now also, you may want to swap out the HMI to DisplayPort or VGA cable to rule out faulty ones. So in this case, use different cables, and also connect the docking station to another computer and see if the issue persists. Now, if the issue if the issue does not persist on the other computer, then most likely the issue itself might be on your laptop or whichever device you've initially used this for. But in this case, if it's still having some issues here, there are other things that you may want to try before ruling out that it's actually broken. So what you need to do first is you may want to reinstall your docking station drivers. Now, you want to unplug your docking station here, disconnect it from your computer or laptop, and just press the following key, which is Windows R, and then basically type in the keyword devmgmt.msc. Now from then on, just uninstall the device, or you can just go to the uninstallation, or go to your device manager here. So just say so you can just type in device manager here, device manager. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just look for the option here that says Universal Serial Bus Controller. So in this case, it should be around in here, this one. Expand this one, and you want to go and look for the in this case the docking station that you currently have. So once you see it, just right click on it and just click on uninstall device here, and from then on wait for it to uninstall, and just basically after uninstallation wait for about like 15 minutes if you can, and then reconnect the docking station again, and Windows should automatically install the drivers for you. And also update your system drivers if everything is not updated yet. So in this case, Windows Update first. So check for system updates via Windows Update, and also visit your laptop's manufacturer website to download the latest graphics drivers. Or if you're using AMD or this case Nvidia, make sure to download the app for it and check if there are any updates on them. And also, if consider using a driver update tools for a comprehensive scan here. And also, you may want to verify USB-C port compatibility here. Now, ensure your laptop's USB-C port supports DisplayPort alternative mode or Thunderbolt 3 port. So this one is really important because sometimes USB-Cs might not be compatible for you. And also test different ports and monitors here. So try using a different port on the docking station and see if that works. And also connect a different monitor to determine if the issue is with the original monitor. Sometimes that might be the case. Now, if this does not support, the best and last thing that you could try doing here is to basically contact J5Create customer support for further assistance. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.